terrible line. I wasn't ready for that. Woo! Let's go. Oh shit, that was fucking close. Oh, so close. No. Had it. Oh, I had it. That was not a bad obstacle. Damn. Oh shit.
too crazy, yeah. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess the seasons change.
I left the keys in her. I'm trying to get out of that habit, but habits are hard to break, right?